Was there ever a time, and I'm sure there was, when you made a decision, such a monumental decision that it changed your life forever? Whether it was to run your first marathon, do your first triathlon, open a business, or to jump out of bed, have a shower, and go to that party where you met the girl or the guy of your dreams. And later on, your friends would ask you, what made you do that? What made you come to that decision like all of a sudden? And you were like, well, I don't know. It's like the universe was talking to me. And right there is what my upcoming workshop is going to be touching on and delving into. Sunday, 7th of February at 10 a.m., we can be talking about the alignment between the universe, your mind, and your heart. And what I call simply the heart-mind connection. And how the heart-mind connection and that alignment with your heart, your mind, and universe will influence purpose, clarity, motivation, energy, and action. Action that resonates and that's true with you. And will bring you that fulfillment and that clarity and that joy that we all need in our lives to keep us going. So I really look forward to seeing some of you guys there. Sunday the 7th of February at 10 a.m. UK time. Tickets will be, out on Eventbrite. Really looking forward to it, guys. Can't wait. See you soon.